Okay. Welcome student to our YouTube channel, Atomic Energy Center School number 4. Today we will discuss some word problems of lesson 1 of maths class 5th. So first word problem of this lesson. Before that we have already discussed big numbers, units, etc. in our part 1. In part 2 now we are discussing about some word problems of this lesson. First word problem is there. Speed of an auto is about 40 km per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour. In 1 hour that auto can go 40 km. Now our first question is how far would the auto go in 4.5 hours? What is the information is given? In 1 hour that auto can go 40 km. So in 4.5 hours how far will it go? That we have to find out. So first we will doing this question we will do in two parts. First we will find out in 4 hours. Okay? In 4 hours. Okay? It is already given 1 hour's information is given and asking about 4 hours. So what will we do? Multiply. When information is given about 1 and asking about more, so we will multiply. So 40 multiplied by 4, 160 kilometer. 160 kilometer it will go in 4 hours. Now in half hour. In half hour it will go. What will we do? For getting half hours, 40 divided by 2, because it is half. So it is 20 kilometer. Now we will compile it in 4.5 hours. 160 kilometer plus 20 kilometer. 180 kilometer. So this auto will go 180 kilometer in 4.5 hours. Now this is the one type of question that will be asked, and see next other type of question that can be asked in by the same information. It is the B part of this question. See, how much? Now second part of this question is how much time will it take to go 140 kilometer? Now in the first question they are asking about the distance. Now they are asking about the time. So we will divide 140 kilometer in 40 kilometers part. See, 140 kilometer is equal to 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 20 kilometer. Okay. Now, why we are dividing in these parts? Because this auto can go 40 kilometer per hour. So first 40 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. Second 40 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. Third 40 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. How it 1 hour is come? 40 divided by this 40. Okay, so 1 hour is coming. Now last one 20 kilometer. It is just half of 40. So our time will be also half hour. How will it come? 20 divided by 40. So it will be half. So it will be half hour. So total time it will be take by 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 and half hour. If it is there 130 kilometer will be there. So here it will be 10 kilometers. What will we do? 10 by 40. Then it will become 1 by 4 hour. So in this way we can solve this type of problem where speed is given and related to speed some questions will become that we will solve by this way. Now see our second word problem. The second word problem is Ram took a loan from a bank of rupees 40,000 to buy a motorcycle. Now what is loan? Loan is the amount that a person borrow from a bank or a other person. Okay, that he has to repay in a certain month or certain time, and he has to repay that amount plus some extra amount. That some extra amount is called interest on the loan. So see, in this question, Ram took a loan from a bank of rupees 40,000 to buy a motorcycle. He paid back rupees 4,000 every month for 1 year. Now our question is, how much money did he pay back to the bank total? So in 1 month he is giving rupees 4,000. Now in 1 year, as we know, in 1 year how many months are there? 12 months. Okay. So what information is given? In 1 month he is paying 4,000 rupees. So in 12 months how much money will he pay? What that we have to find out. 1 month's information is given and he is asking about 12 months. So he is asking about more. So we will multiply 4,000 multiply 12. 12 0 the 0, 12 0 the 0, 12 0 the 0, 12 4 the 48. So he will pay back rupees 48,000 in a whole year. After 1 year he will pay back 48,000, and he took a loan of rupees 40,000. So he paid back 8,000 extra money. That 8,000, 48,000 minus 40,000, 8,000 rupees he paid extra. That is the interest on that loan. Say one other question that can be come from this type of question. Second one is, he paid back a total of rupees 54,000. He took a loan of rupees 40,000 and he paid back rupees 54,000. How much did he pay back every month? So just this question is just opposite of first question. In 12 months he is giving rupees 54,000, and question is asking every month. In 1 month how much money he is paying? In 1 month. So what will we do? 54,000 divided by 12. Why 12? Because there are 12 months in a year. Okay. So see, 54,000 divided by 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60 is more than 54, so 12 5 4 is 48. 6, there is 0, 12 5 is 60, 0. So 2 0. It means 4,500 or 4,500 rupees he will pay every month. Okay. So in this way we can do both questions both ways, vice versa. Okay. Now our third problem is this. Raj bought fresh fish for rupees 20 per kg in one and sold dried fish to rupees 70 per kg. Cost of 1 kg fresh fish is rupees 20 and cost of dried fish of 1 kg is rupees 70. Raj bought 900 kg fresh fish. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. How much profit did Raj earn by selling dried fish? So we will do this in some steps. First we will find out what is the cost of fresh fish. Cost of 1 kg fresh fish is already given. It is rupees 20. Now Raj bought how many kg fresh fish? Raj bought 900 kg fresh fish. So what is the cost of 900 kg fresh fish? What will we do? Information of 1 kg is given and asking about more. So what will we do? Multiply. 900 multiply by 20. So it will be 20 0 the 0, 20 0 0, 29 the 180. rupees 80,000 is the cost of 900 kg fresh fish. Now one more information is given here. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. So first we will find out weight of dried fish. How much is dried fish is there? So dried fish is just 1/3 of the fresh fish. So fresh fish is 900 kg, or 1/3 of 900 is 900 divided by 3 or multiply by 1. 900 divided by 3, it is 300, multiply by 1, then also it is 300 kg. So weight of dried fish is 300 kg. And now Ram sold all the dried fish at the rate of rupees 70 per kg. The cost of 1 kg dried fish, it is already given, rupees 70. Now we will find out cost of 300 kg dried fish. Same is there, 1 kg information is given and asking about more. So what will we do? We will multiply. Now 300 multiply by 70. 70 0 is 0, 70 0 0, 73 is 210. It will be 21,000 rupees. Now we got two information. Cost of fresh fish is, total cost of fresh fish is rupees 18,000. Total cost of dried fish is rupees 21,000. So Ram spent rupees 18,000 to buy the fishes, and he earned total 21,000 rupees by selling the dried fish. So what is the profit of Ram? Profit of Ram is 21,000 minus 18,000 rupees 3,000. So Ram earned rupees 3,000 by selling the fishes. Some more word problems are given in the lesson that you will solve, and if there is any problem, so you can call us